How to create logo in Photoshop. Select Selection tool and create selection of your subject. After selection, click on Create Mask. Right-click on Layer and click on Convert to Smart Object. Select Text tool and write text. Move subject layer on top. Click Ctrl T and adjust according to your text. Control and click on Text Layer Thumbnail. Select your subject layer and click on Create Mask. Now draw with white color in your mask. Double-click on Text Layer and add Stroke. Copy my settings. Add Drop Shadow. Copy my settings. Create a solid color layer for changing background color. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.